Welcome to Autocorsafar's 2026 Tesla Cybertruck Dual Motor AWD. Is back in the spotlight and turning heads like never before. With its razor-sharp, futuristic exoskeleton and unmatched electric performance, this Cybertruck isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Built from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel and armored glass, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie and performs like a beast. Under the hood, or rather, under the flat deck, you'll find two powerful electric motors delivering all-wheel drive traction, giving the Cybertruck the ability to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. With over 600 horsepower at around 10,000 pounds of towing capacity, it's more than ready for work, play, or just showing off at the charging station. The estimated range is up to 340 miles on a full charge, thanks to Tesla's latest battery improvements. Whether you're on the highway or off-road, the dual motor setup gives you confident control, excellent balance, and strong torque at all four wheels. It can handle rugged terrain just as easily as it glides through city streets. Inside, the cabin is minimal and modern, exactly what you'd expect from Tesla. A massive 18.5-inch central touchscreen controls nearly every function, from navigation and media to climate and driving modes. You'll also find spacious seating for 5, panoramic glass roof, and plenty of cargo storage both in the bed and the front trunk. Tesla's latest full self-driving hardware is built in, keeping you ready for the future of autonomous driving. Plus, the over-the-air updates mean your truck keeps getting smarter and better with time. On the outside, its angular lines and LED light bars make it impossible to miss. No curves, just edges, attitude, and innovation. Priced around $59,990 for the dual motor version. It's a powerful and surprisingly practical AV truck that blends utility with cutting-edge design. Whether you're hauling gear, heading out on an adventure, or just want to own the road, the 2026 Cybertruck Dual Motor AWD delivers with brutal electric force. Stick around with Autocorsavar, more breakdowns, reviews, and deep dives into the latest vehicles leading the charge into the future.